Hey guys, we all know citations and bibliography is one of the most important aspect of research paper or thesis, and it's also one of the most tedious job. So if you are doing it manually, trust me, it is not a pleasant sight. So here I bought one free app for you named Zotero. Trust me, for me to learn, I had to go to conferences all day. I had bought this for free for you, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So let's go. Okay, you open your browser, type Zotero. Okay, once you get this, you click on Zotero and you see this login. You log in here first with your ID, whatever, Gmail or whatever, and then once you log in, you download. You'll get two options. You'll get Zotero for Windows, you'll get Zotero connector for the browser. So you have to download both of this. Okay, remember, both of this, not just one. So once you downloaded that, you will get Zotero icon here. So open Zotero icon. Okay, once you opened it, you will get like this. So if you're not downloaded Zotero connector, you just see here, you'll get a guideline, install a Zotero connector. You can install it from here. So this is the interface of the Zotero, okay, when it's newly downloaded. Now you have to remember there are three important things. Once you download this app, you'll automatically, okay, you open your Microsoft Word, you open a blank document, and you'll see that there is a Zotero icon on the Microsoft Word. Okay, this is important because all your typing and all your articles going to be in Microsoft Word when you're typing thesis or research paper. So this Zotero icon shows, that means it is connected to the Microsoft Word. Okay, so whenever you want to cite or do bibliography, this is important. So this thing is done. Now you go to your browser. Once the browser is, browser connector is downloaded, you will see this icon, this puzzle type of icon, which is the extension. You can click on that, you will see a Zotero connector. Okay, so whenever you are searching an article, you will get it in your browser, and if you find the article important, you click on the Zotero connector and you add it to your Zotero app. So once you click on the Zotero after the article will get downloaded in the Zotero app. So these three things are very important. One is Zotero app. When you install the Zotero app, it will be automatically connected to your Microsoft Word, and then you have to download a Zotero connector for the browser so that you can download articles from the browser. So these three things are the primary steps which are required to use Zotero for citations and bibliography.
Okay, so we have opened Zotero here. So what is important here right now is you see this icons on the left side. So you can make a folder here. Okay, if whatever collection you want to make, whatever article, you can make a new collection here. So if you click on this icon, you can just give a random title, create collection. Okay, this is your library. So this is a create collection. Now whatever articles you're going to add, they will automatically get added here in your collection. So this is a very good manner in which you can just segregate your files or whatever different papers are you are making. So even if you, in alopecia, if you want to make a different thing, you can just click here, and you can also make a sub collection. Okay, so that also you can title as alopecia, I forget my spellings, alopecia 1. So create collection. Now you can see here this alopecia is your main folder. Then even if you want to make a sub collection, you click on this, that is I think, yeah, the right click right click on this, and you get a subfolder. Okay, option for making a subfolder. So this is how you can segregate your file. So now my alopecia folder is open. I want articles for it. So now I'll go in, okay, browser I have already opened an article for alopecia. Now you can see this Zotero's icon extension which you already downloaded, as I showed in last video. So click on this, it says Zotero connected, click on the Zotero connect. This is already, your folder is already open, so it will already save in the alopecia folder. If you have multiple folders, you can just click here and you can click more or whatever folders here, you can select that folder and it will get automatically added to that folder. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. So now we'll see the Zotero. So see here, there was nothing here. Now that article is saved here. Okay, so we go to Word. Now you want to add a citation. Okay, this is the citation. So you click here. Once you click on Zotero, you get this icons. Okay, add citation, bibliography, and all that. First, you will add the citation. Here, you will click add citation. Now here is the interesting slide. Here it will give you whichever style you want the citation in. Okay, whatever, Vancouver or whatever. So you select your style. I'll select his Vancouver. okay. And also this is the important part. You click here, it is like automatically update citation. What that means is, if you have citations already made up, your multiple citations are there, and sometimes you go back to that, go back to your paper and you want to change the citations, okay. So you change the citations, then what will happen, that citations will get automatically updated on your bibliography. If the bibliography, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, like that. And if you cite from paper 3 again earlier than paper 2, then that has to be updated in your bibliography, right? It has to come series wise, so that will automatically get updated. You don't have to manually do this. So that is a very good feature of this app. So you select this automatically update citation, very important, and whatever this is, so go selected. Okay, we are done. Now this slide will come whenever you see add citations, and this definitely gives you tutorial, whatever. Now here, since you already only have one paper, it will automatically show here. But if you want to search, you can search by the author names or whatever title from the Zotero. I typing here, so the article will be shown down, and you can edit. Also remember that, while you're adding citations, the Zotero app has to be open. If it is not open, it won't work. So I'll click on this, and then it will come like this, and then I click on the arrow. So this is one, okay, this is one. So this is your article has been cited. Yes, this is how you cite, okay. I hope you understood. Now what we have to do, we have to know about add bibliography. You again click on Zotero. You see we have already added the citation. Now you add this bibliography, okay. Now you get your cursor wherever you want the bibliography to be. Above you can write references, and under that you can put your cursor, and then you add bibliography, okay. So then this is how your bibliography will come, the citations, the one whichever article you have added, this is how your bibliography will look. So this will happen automatically, you don't have to stress about it. So this saves a lot of time. This would have been a headache if you had to do it manually. So this is how your bibliography looks, and whichever style you have chosen. Now if you add one more article, now your number will come, like number will be 2, and that will automatically get updated here, number 2, okay. So you don't have to worry about adding bibliography. After that it will get automatically added. So this is how it is done. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can put it in my comment section or DM me, whatever. And I think, yeah, that's it. So this app is a very good app, and it's free also, so no stress. So I hope you liked it. I'll see you in next video. Thank you so much.